People often ask me how Lesco began. It didn't start with a factory, it started with a sketch, a vision, and my father. He wasn't just running operations, he was designing every detail himself. Every motor, every jar was his creation. Today, this isn't just my journey, it's something we all build together. Every single person here is part of this legacy. This is where the process truly begins, where raw materials are shaped into something meaningful. You'll see heavy machinery, hands at work, metal being shaped, jars being built. It's real craftsmanship in action. My father spent years perfecting each process. That precision still guides everything we do. This is where each product comes to life. Motors are installed, wiring is handled with care, and every jar is aligned perfectly. It's not just about speed, it's about building something that lasts, something people trust in their kitchens every day. Behind every great product is great planning. Our storerooms are where we manage everything from raw materials to ready for dispatch inventory. It's all about being prepared, organized, and efficient. This floor holds the final touches. Our branding, laser printing, labels. They're not just tags, they're a promise. Every print we place carries the name of a brand that stands for quality, safety, and trust, where our design, hard work, and values are displayed proudly. This is what our customers take home, a part of that legacy. Father's designs, mother's inspiration, team's dedication. That's what Lesco is built on, not just appliances, a bond of trust.
Let's go!